Nice.
Oh no, it's a trout.
Is it?
Big trout.
Get it to the boat. What's up guys, Chris from One More Cast. So I know it's been a while since I posted a video. It's been a while since I've been able to get out here with the wind and the weather. It's been really cold, really windy, and we actually moved a little bit further. We're about 25 minutes further from the places we like to fish, so it's been a little hard getting out here, but we found a really nice day to get out here today. It's my birthday weekend, so me and my boys are coming out here to 19th Street today. Really low tide. It's actually like 73 degrees right now. Water temps definitely in the 60s, pretty cold. It's gonna be really low tide. Tide's coming in right now. It's not gonna be too windy either, so it's actually a really good day to get out here. So hopefully we can find some active fish. We actually just seen a trout popping a shrimp off the top of the water just a minute ago. But the boys are finishing tying up, getting their poles ready. Mine are already ready. I just have to change out one thing. But we're gonna get out there. We're gonna do some wade fishing. Even though the water's cold, we're gonna get in the water, wade around a little bit, and try to see if we can find some trout to bring home. We'd like to have trout for dinner tonight, so we're gonna try to get some trout to bring home. Maybe see if we can get into some redfish. Doubt we'll get into snook. The water temp's really low, and they're probably all upriver right now. But we're excited to get out here today, and we're excited to make a new video. So we're gonna get out there, try to catch some fish, and we'll see you guys soon. You got it? Can you help? In a picture? Yeah. All right. That one. There's more over there. Look, they're still blowing up over there. There we go. There we go. First fish at 24. He's not 15 though. Riley, remember it's winter time, so you're gonna work it a lot slower. A lot slower. You're actually gonna let it fall to the bottom and bounce it off. That's when they're gonna hit it, is when it bounces off. I'm getting tore up right now. Oh. Oh. There it is. That's a, what is that, a little ladyfish? Yeah. Oh no, get out of my kayak. This guy's tiny. That's good bait right there. That one. That's deep, so if you see a tail come up, it's too deep for a mullet. There we go. That's a trout. A little guy. Yeah, you see that big school? You see that big school over there? Yeah, there's a big school over there. This is the world's smallest trout. Look at this. Look how small this guy is. Tiny baby trout. World's smallest trout right here. Only dinks. Riley's hooked up now. Oh, that looks like a nice one. I don't know if it's quite 15, but lift your rod tip up to you. Watch your reel in the water. It's alright. I got another one. Oh, CJ's hooked up too? We're in a whole school. Oh, this one might. You got a sheephead? Yeah. How big is it? Oh, look at it. Let me see. Look at its fins. If they're pointy, it's a sheephead. If they're pointy at the sheephead, if it has like two individual ones, then it's a. Yeah. This guy, another one. And measure him out. Make sure it's not 15, because we want to bring some home today. I don't think it's 15 though. No, 14 and a half. Look at him. Oh, that's a nice guy.
Yeah.
You got that on the power prawn?
Yeah.
Nice. Here. Good job.
Yeah, bud.
Good job. That power prawn's putting in some work for you, huh?
No.
There's a whole school of mullet over here, but there's 2 dolphins, so be careful.
Not that popular, but it's pretty popular.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, CJ, here, come here real quick, buddy. Come here real quick. So CJ is in a fishing group at school. Let me see that rod you won. He won for tying the quickest knot.
No, it's just
Was
anyone.
Any, what is it, FG knot or something like that?
Loop knot.
Loop knot, quickest loop knot. But he actually won this St. Croix rod at his fishing club. Here you go. You're putting that rod into work. It's the first time using it too, huh?
Yep, 2 fish.
Good job. Oh, there you go. There you go. Remember what I told you? Leave a little bit of line in the water and use your net.
Dad, it's under me.
What, the dolphin? Riley's got a dolphin behind him too. They pop off again? You got him? Good job, bud. You want a picture? First fish of 2024? Oh, are you recording? Oh, okay. All right, here, let me get you a picture.
And I caught it with
See? There you go. Good job, buddy. There we go. This one feels a little bit better. Oh, he wrapped himself up. Look. He rolled all in. This one feels a little bit better. This one might be pushing 15, guys. This one might be 15. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's 15. All right. This guy's going in the cooler. No pressure now, guys. You got him? Oh, yeah, he definitely looks like a keeper.
Huh?
He definitely looks like a keeper. Measure him on your thing. Measure him first.
Huh?
Measure him before you do surgery on him. Make sure he's 15.
No, he's not. He didn't. 16.
All right, it's good to keep. Okay. Good job. Let me see him. Let me see. Riley's got one. What is that?
I got the That's a pinfish. I just got a pinfish. pinfish.
You got a pinfish? Nice. Alright guys, so normally, as you guys seen in my previous videos, I could paddle straight across this, but that's all out of the water right now. That's all land over there. I mean, even where Riley's standing right now is less than ankle deep. And over there is also land, so there's a small spot where we're gonna wade across here, pull our kayaks across, and once we get to that second channel, we're gonna shoot over to Three Sisters, try to get into some more trout. It's definitely really low tides. That's the difference between spring and summertime fishing and wintertime, because you get these super low tides over here. I love fishing these really low tides, I really do. It helps keep the fish in a smaller area. Well, CJ's got a lizard fish, I think. Yeah. That's a big old lizard fish. Oh, you foul hooked him? It is. It looks small. Look at the size of the lure and the size of the fish. That's crazy. Got a pufferfish on it too. So I got a pinfish on it and a pufferfish. Another pufferfish. I'm taking this thing off. That's the second pufferfish I've caught on this thing. But yeah, it took 2 big chunks out of it, so now it's not swimming right. So I'm gonna take it off. Yeah, if you look right here, you got a chunk right here missing, a chunk right here missing. So when swimming through the water now, it's not streaming. The water's not streaming through it the way it's supposed to, so it's not working the way it's supposed to. So we didn't really catch anything that we're trying to catch down this flat. I'm actually very surprised we didn't catch one trout. Very surprised. Caught pufferfish, some lizardfish, pinfish, all foul hooking them. So now what we did was we put some heavier jig heads on, and we're gonna come out here to the deep, see if they're a little bit deeper maybe still, because the sun really hasn't shown itself yet today, so hasn't had time to really warm up the water. So we're gonna something.
Yeah, red.
He's got a red?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh no, it's a trout.
Is it?
Big trout.
Get it to the boat.
Oh, I just had some.
Get it in your boat. Yeah, that's a keeper, I can tell. Keep him in the boat. Good job. We needed one more. Oh yeah. Oh, I missed it. There's a school of something up here. Oh, he just came up. You seen that? He came off the water and hit it. Oh, you got him? Yep.
Nice keeper. It's a keeper.
All right, get the net. Get him in the net. I'm getting 8 up right now. There it is. Oh, another trout.
Come here. Come on.
That's definitely a keeper. Both those are keepers. Good job. That's a nice trout right there, boy. That's a nice. Hang on, let me get CJ, then I'll come get you.
This is
Yeah.
a nice, like, it's no regular trout, guys. I entered in this funny thing.
Straighten him out. See how he's folding? Yeah.
Now, this might be.
There you go. Hold him toward the back more. There you go. That's a good picture. That's a good picture right there, buddy. There you go. Riley's right there. Show me it. Nice one. Here, let me get a picture for you, bud. Hold him down. He's in your face. There you go.
It's a trout.
Alright. Got a trout. These boys are smoking me today. Oh, Riley's got one too. Oh, mine threw. Mine was small. Riley's hooked up again. Oh, he popped off. We're in a little school of them over here. Let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. I felt him hit it good. Oh, he came off again. Maybe I'm too tight. He came back and got it. He came back and got it. Oh, sweet. He's not, I don't know if he's big enough to keep, but. Come over here, throw it behind me, Riley Bug. All right, let me get a little bit more line out so I can handle them. All right. Yeah, I don't think he's 15, but definitely got another one in the boat. Yeah, it looks like it's about 14. Huh? There was like 3 of them chasing it. Said tasting it, chasing it. The shrimp, the 3-inch one, the fried chicken. There it goes.
Oh, keeper.
No, I don't know, it's gonna be close. Yeah, this one's gonna be close. Yeah, the shrimp's killing it, dude. Let go. Oh, oh. Measure them up. Huh? Yeah, that way you can get the hook set in your video. No, he's too short. There you go. Probably like 13. Oh, hold him up. Hold him up. Oh. It's alright.
And he was my first 2-keeper.
Well, I caught the smallest one of the day.
Oh, yeah.
Got another one. I don't know if it's a keeper. It doesn't feel like it's that big. Yeah, it's not too big. He's got to cast this way.
Huh?
He's gonna have to cast this way. Oh, just right out there in the middle, bud.
Where?
Just right out there in the middle. Huh? Oh. Oh, there. Oh. There you go, Riley Bug. Oh, we doubled up, Riley. Oh, mine's a ladyfish. Careful not to drop the battery in the water. Another one. Yeah, but look at how big they are. Not quality size fish. Just for catching fish, yeah, but not super quality. Oh, he unhooked himself. Good job. We might get a bigger one. Let me see it for. Got him.
No, 5. You did?
Yeah. Look at this little guy. Almost the smallest. Yeah, they're all small though. They're not big. Oh, you little punk. And we're in just a nice school of them here. We're waiting for the kayak launch to open up a little bit, so we're just gonna sit here and fish while we wait for the kayak launch to open up. Come here, buddy. You got one, Riley? Nice, we doubled up.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
We just doubled up.
I saw a bird. Something. Maybe a sea turtle, like earlier.
There we go. These are beautiful fish. You guys know that what family the trout is in?
Huh?
What family of fish is the trout in?
What's it called? Drums?
Yep, drum family.
Yeah, because of the spots.
No, because they drum. Can you pick them up?
When you get big ones.
I think it's the male's drum or something like that. The male will drum. Make a drum noise.
I said, let's try to get it double up.
Oh, you said that?
Yeah, as soon as mine hit the water, it would do.
Alright. It's my last cast and I'm done. Okay? Oh, got one. They're all the same size. All right, there he goes. Last one. CJ's got one. Over there. And these are... Alright, so CJ's got one over there. He is hooked up. We've been sitting here for a little bit, catching quite a few. We've caught quite a few just in this one area. But the kayak launch is clearing up now, so we're about to head over that way. It was a really good day today. Caught a lot of trout. We got 4 that we're bringing home. And I mean, it was a really good day. But CJ's still handling that trout over there, but it was a really good day. It was good to get back out on the water. It's been a really long time, and it was I kind of picked 2 people that I'd rather be out here with more than my 2 boys. I mean, I love fishing with them. My favorite people to fish with. But oh, Riley's got one too. Yep, Riley's got one too. And we're gonna go ahead and get out of here after these 2 fish. And remember also to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification down at the bottom, and share my channel for me, guys. I'm about to start posting a lot more now that we got settled in our new place and everything, and there's more content coming. But remember, guys, I mean, like you guys can see, there's always time for one more cast. I'll see you later.